this is just a glimpse in an off day of a single mom. So today I woke up this morning, did my laundry, folded my clothes away, and yeah, before I knew it, it was time to go and pick up my daughter from school, and it was raining cats and dogs. So I arrived at the school a bit early, about 20 minutes early, so I had to wait in the car park with other parents. And funny enough, other parents were standing outside in the rain. Some people love to talk, and yeah, I'm just not that kind of person. So after picking up my daughter, we went to the doctor, and it was a first visit, and we got a welcome pack with a digital thermometer. We saw the doctor, we sorted the allergy issues, and then from there we went shopping. We did a little bit of shopping, and because she didn't have some clothes, all your clothes are now small. So after that we were hungry, and we went to a Thai restaurant. She really had fun, and it was Valentine's Day today, so I had to take her out and just enjoy a meal with your mama. And yeah, we ordered cooked mocktails, and yeah, she really enjoyed it. It was nice. According to her, it was really nice. And then it was time for dinner. I had a seafood sizzle, and she had a beef sizzle. It was really nice. It was yummy with steamed rice, and she almost finished everything. I ate all my seafood, and I just didn't want the soup. And after that, we had dessert. She told me she had space for dessert, and she wanted to have some dessert. And then she had some rice. Well, and I had fried ice cream with cream and caramel sauce. It was so yummy. And then after that, we headed home, and it was really, really freezing. And that was our day. And yeah, and my off day was over. Done. See you